So I can give one example is called, so you can design your WordPress website. People ask you one question, how to writing for SEO title description for your WordPress website means SEO on page. The SEO on page for WordPress purpose, we can use it for two plugins. Why we will call plugin? WordPress is called plug and play base. So without plugin, we can't change your WordPress title and description. So in this one, we're writing for here 123 BHK buy and pipe sale and buy flats pipe properties in Hyderabad. In this one, if you're changing for any title and description, the option is called all-in-one SEO pack. Why we can using for all-in-one SEO? Why? Because total SEO package we can give option call is all-in-one SEO plugin. The purpose, go to plugin. These plugins are eligible for premium WordPress. Free WordPress not give the plugin access. In this, first of all, add new plugin. Why? I'm install the new plugin. So the plugin name is called all-in-one SEO. They are searching by here like this. Already will be active. So they're showing for update. If you install, and click for install also. So why people all-in-one SEO is called? Total will be dependent by the all-in-one SEO. WordPress, which plugin is best for SEO is called all-in-one SEO. Yosta SEO only for your title description purpose. All-in-one SEO, your title description and alt tag, canonical form, anchor text, and we're using for webmaster purpose, analytics and image optimization. Total will be dependent by your all-in-one SEO pack. In this one, if you're changing for any title and description, see here 123 BHK by. So you're writing for comma 4 comma 5. Done. So now after that, click for update your option. Now what is the first one here? 1, 2, 3. I can check the refresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each and every will dependent by the all-in-one SEO. How to we can select it? Suppose your pages will be there. Each individual pages, you can change your SEO title and description will be click for edit. After install the plugin, if you add the title and description, just to scroll down, here is that. What is that? Title and description. Title will be 60 characters, description will be 50 to 300 characters. But WordPress support only for 160 characters. Still support by how many characters? 160. You can see this one. When you're typing this one, up to 160, no error. You can see. An error is there. Why call L? The destination will be reach. After reach your destination, they're going to error, red color. WordPress still support only for 160. Still not updating for 300 characters. But USC will support up to 300 characters. So this is the WordPress recently not update from the plugins. Once the plugin update, they can support by up to 300 characters. They show the error, but they will be display for up to 300 characters. So this is called, we can writing for SEO on page on your WordPress website. Install the plugin, use on all-in-one. Just select your page, click for edit, add your on page. I show one example. What the option is your title will be about us. Description? No. Click. Just I'll write and show you in this. About us. Property for sale, comma, buy. about information house comma flats salient by Hyderabad. So just to give you some information is only for temporary information. Click for update. Once update, previous your title will be just about us. Description will be no description. Now coming to all pages. See this one. About property for sale and buy. About information house, comma flat, sale and buy Hyderabad. Is it clear? So this is called update on your thing. This update will affect for where? Go to your website, click for about us. See this one. About properties for sale by book your properties. Now click for control you. You can check your title and description. This is called description. So I will show by title in this based on the search. Is it clear? This is called title and description. WordPress, we can't writing for customized code. The code will be writing for SEO on page using for all-in-one SEO plugin. The plugin will be totally free, nothing paid your plugin. Your search engine can crawl your website for Google or any search engine. The plugin using for all-in-one SEO for search engine understand by using WordPress website. Without plugin, your website can't understanding for search engine WordPress related sites. Please note down.